So, testing, 1, 2, 3. I've been watching KC Neistat's vlogs. I've been watching KC Neistat's vlogs. I should probably be looking at the camera. Take 2. I've been watching KC Neistat's vlogs, and I've been really inspired, I guess, which is so cliche and so typical. But here's the thing. I have been interning at this really cool place with all these really cool people, learning really cool things like video editing and production and directing. And due to time and just the way everything is set up, I haven't had the opportunity to continue to keep editing and to keep trying to learn how to create digital content in this manner. So I decided to kill 2 birds, 1 stone. I am from Kansas City. It's cool. So I wanted to explore the city that I've grown up in, the city that I love so dear, and try and keep creative. Try and continue to create content and hone my craft and really make something that I care about and understand. And share, you know? I'm rambling. I did some Googling about Kansas City, and I found something that I had never seen before, and I really want to go see it. Sorry, I keep looking at myself. I'll get used to that. So that's what I'm going to do today. That's what we're going to do today. You, me, and KC Neistat in spirit, we are going to explore Kansas City. And I think I'm going to make this a series. Anyway, let's go. We're doing it. This is my car. Here's where I interject and say that this place looked way sketchier than when I had originally Googled and saw, the nice pretty photos up. And you'll see that in a second. So I enlisted the security of my friend Jason. It's cold. And here's where I interject again to apologize for going off track. This is what happens when you really don't have an idea. You just go and do it, and then it turns into something entirely different, like following the streetcar around, which you will see shortly. I'm gonna interject right here. I'm trying to find the streetcar. The Kansas City streetcar debuts today, and I'm following the track because I saw it go by earlier and I almost lost my absolute mind. And I think it might be in the River Market, so I'm trying to get down there as soon as possible to really try and get a good look at it, or maybe hop on and take a ride. Sorry about this camera angle. I don't have like a good setup to hold this. It says it's testing. It's not in service. Damn it. Yeah, but how soon? So it's testing today. I want to find it. I found it. Can you see that? Can you see it? I don't know why I'm losing my mind about this streetcar. This video is taking a strong detour. I'm so sorry. overexposed? What? I'm looking at myself again. I'm so sorry. We've returned home, and I don't know if that was a success or if that was a failure. I'll figure it out. My favorite thing in the entire world is exploring Kansas City. My favorite thing in the entire world is Kansas City. And to show it off to people who don't understand it this is exactly how to do this. So this was rough. This was 100% a mistake. But this is how we learn, right? This is by doing. We learn by doing. I learned by doing. Next, I wandered around for a bit. I think next maybe be Kansas City art. We're very, very full of creatives and graffiti and murals. I mean, okay, and not like the graffiti you saw today. I'm talking like art. So, thanks for coming along. Also, I'm using my lapel mic because my big mic is not here yet. So,